11 shampoos that will save your color-treated hair. 1 Minu Illuminating Shampoo. This gentle shampoo not only protects color, thanks to caper blossom extract, but also has a fresh citrus scent that'll transform your wash day into an at-home spa experience. 2 Color Assure Shampoo for color-treated hair. Make sure your fresh dye job has a long life by using this salon-grade shampoo that includes elastin protein and quinoa to nourish hair and maintain its vibrancy up to 40 washes. 3. R.A.W Urban Moisture Hydro-Nourishing Shampoo. This shampoo renews hydration so your color can thrive without sacrificing the health of your hair. 4. Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. For the fancy vanity, this damage-reversing, cult favorite shampoo brings back bounce to locks weighed down by over-processing. 5. Color Extend Shampoo. This shampoo gently clarifies and works to fight all the elements that make color fade, including everyone's enemy, hard water. 6 Color Protect Shampoo. Lock in your color with this antioxidant-boosted formula specifically created to repair color-damaged hair. 7. R.A.W Color Care Shampoo. This all-natural, vegan shampoo is infused with coconut milk to bring back moisture to hair parched due to continual dyeing. 8 Color Lock Shampoo. One of the biggest culprits of faded color is sun exposure. Good thing this shampoo protects against UV rays. 9 True Color Shampoo. This bottle is chock full of nutrients like moringa seed extract, rice bran oil, shea butter, and coconut to replenish and protect dyed hair. 10. Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This shampoo is like rebirth for your hair in a bottle. Expect moisturized, frizz-free hair with less split ends. To buy this products, check the description.